Today, using a simple browser extension available for many browsers, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode for virtually every single website on the internet. But first, my name is Steve Smith, this is TQA Weekly, and what I'm about to show you is a browser extension. Welcome to Night Eye, available for all popular browsers and Microsoft Edge. Kind of a joke, but who the hell uses Microsoft Edge? It's a very simple browser extension with a few options that actually work, and it works on virtually every single website. And I can go through this entire web page, but this is all the publicity they're going to need. The instructions are simple. Click on the browser you're using. I'm using Chrome. Install it. Then go to a website that you like to use. We're going to be using TQAweekly.com, which is a website where you can join, comment, and also see other episodes as well. For those who didn't know, simply joining and logging in turns off all the advertisements on this website. So if you wanted more reason to join the website, no ads is a benefit. It is a very clean, mobile-friendly website that is white. It has some of the same issues as Facebook and YouTube and some other websites. It's hilariously bright in the dark. It's hilariously visible. If you're trying to sleep, this is not going to help you whatsoever. And while I would like to have the time to build a dark mode, it is fortunate that we don't have to build a dark mode for everything. So this is how Night Eye works. You click on the browser extension icon. You can switch from normal to filtered, which allows you to just change the brightness, contrast, saturation, blue light, and dim the page if you need to. Or you can go straight to dark mode, which has two other options for colors and images. Yes, you can darken the images as well. And this brings a website that is super visible and super easy to use to being super easy on the eyes as well. There are a few more other options. You have this giant power button, which turns it off. And then an even more giant power button that turns it back on. You go into the gear icon, and from top to bottom, you got to help. If you need help, I really can't help you unless it's a browser installation issue. You got the on-off shortcut, which you'll see is Alt-1. You can uninstall, which I don't know why you would do it. You have default mode, which is normal, filtered, and dark. I leave it on normal. That way I have some sort of control on which websites we're talking about. And you can also change the language. That's essentially a tour that we need to talk about. So, that is everything you need to know about the Night Eye browser extension available at nighteye.app. Now, if you like this episode, like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, which you can now use a dark mode with. Or, of course, if you want to make this show better, go to patreon.com/tqaweekly and become a patron today. Patrons get these episodes 2 days in advance of everyone else. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.